So we are going to learn about practice set 20 of chapter number 4, that is angles and pairs of angles, right? So practice set 19 has been done in the previous lecture, right? Practice set 18 has also been done. Now today we are going to learn about practice set 20. Okay. Now in practice set 20, the question is lines PQ and RS intersect at point M. So lines PQ and RS intersect. So if this is line PQ, okay, and if this is line RS, as they have told, PQ and RS intersecting each other at point M, right? At point M, and angle PMR is equal to X. This angle PMR is equal to X. Okay? Angle PMR, this PMR is equal to what? X degree, right? It is given. Angle PMR is equal to X degree given. Now, angle PMR, if this is a straight line and one of the angle bisect it, okay? So what pair it forms? Angle PMR and angle PMS, angle PMR. See, this is PMR and this is PMS. So these angle forms which pair? Which pair? Complementary or linear pair? This PMR and PMS. PMR and PMS. I have told you yesterday what is meant by linear pair. Angles in a linear pair. For example, if this is a straight line and if this line is there like this, okay, so these angles are known as angles in a linear pair because this is a straight line. On the straight line, two angles are formed, you know, one angle and two angles. So on a straight line, two angles are formed, right? So this forms angles in a linear pair. Okay, so in this case also angle PMR and angle PMS forms angles in a linear pair. So PMR plus PMS is equal to what? 180 degree. Angle PMR plus angle PMS is equal to 180 degree. These are angles in a linear pair. Therefore, what is the value of PMR? It is X degree, right? Plus angle PMS equal to 180 degree. Now measure of angle PMS is equal to 180 minus X. So this PMS is equal to what? 180 minus X. As angle PMR and SMQ, this PMR and SMQ are vertically opposite angle. So if angle PMR is equal to X, angle SMQ is also equal to what? X. Okay. So this PMR equal to X, so we can easily calculate PMS as 180 minus X. If angle PMR is equal to X, so angle SMQ is also equal to X. Why? Because of vertically opposite angle. Let me share my whiteboard with you so that the concepts get clear. Okay. See, the question is what? If these two lines are there, which one? Which one? PQ, right? PQ and RS. PQ and RS. These two lines intersect at point, sorry, here it will come at point M, right? And angle PMR is equal to what? X degree. Angle PMR is equal to X degree. Wait a minute. Okay. So angle PMR is equal to what? X degree. Okay. Now see, please pay attention everyone. If angle PMR is equal to X degree, for example, if angle PMR is equal to what? X degree, right? PMR is equal to X degree, right? If angle PMR is equal to X degree and it is what? Given. This is given. Whenever in this chapter, whatever the given is there, that you should write it. Angle PMR is equal to X degree and this is given, right? Now this is given. Okay. Now we have to find this angle RMQ भी फाइंड आउट करना है, PMS भी फाइंड आउट करना है और SMQ भी फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड हमारे पास सिर्फ PMR x डिग्री दिया हुआ है, राइट? नाउ इफ एंगल PMR इज गिवन, we can find out angle SMQ. How? See, these PMR and SMQ are exactly opposite to each other. So if angle PMR is equal to angle what? Angle SMQ, right? Angle SMQ. Angle PMR is equal to angle SMQ. What is the reason for it? क्यों angle PMR is equal to angle SMQ है? So you can write down it as measure of angle PMR is equal to measure of angle SMQ. Equal to measure of angle PMR is equal to measure of angle SMQ. What is the reason for this? It is, these are vertically opposite angle. These are vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angles these are, right? Okay, so measure of angle PMR is equal to measure of angle SMQ because these are vertically opposite angle. Now measure of angle PMR is equal to what? X, right? तो measure of angle SMQ भी क्या हो जाएगा? X, because measure of angle this PMR is equal to X. So measure of angle SMQ is also equal to XY because both these are vertically opposite angle. Whenever there is X sign is there or cross is there, okay? So every time keep in your mind that ये जो PMR है और ये जो SMQ है ये एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल अपोज में है. So they are known as vertically opposite angle. When the cross sign is there, these two angles are opposite angle, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Now PMR and SMQ are vertically opposite angle. They are exactly opposite to each other. Now the value of angle PMR is equal to what? X degree. So therefore value of SMQ is equal to what? Therefore measure of angle SMQ is also equal to what? Measure of angle SMQ is also equal to what? X, right? Measure of angle SMQ is also equal to X. So we got one of the angles value, right? अगर PMR है तो SMQ भी X ही है, right? Now we want to find out this RMQ and PMS as well, है ना? हमको ये दोनों का वैल्यू भी निकालना है. So what we are going to do? Now these two angles are angles in a linear pair. See, angle PMR, okay, angle this PMR plus angle RMQ plus angle RMQ, okay, is equal to what? Is equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because both these angles are in a linear pair. So what is the reason of it? Reason of it is angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair, right? Angles in a linear pair, right? Now angle PMR plus RMQ is equal to 180 degree because both these angles are angles in a linear pair. See, PMR and RMQ single straight line पे है, right? So these two angles forms angles in a linear pair, right? Now measure of angle PMR is equal to what? PMR कितना है? PMR, this is X, right? PMR जो है वो X degree है, right? Plus angle RMQ we have to find out. Angle RMQ we have to find out, right? RMQ जैसे कि वैसा रहेगा, right? RMQ is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay. Now we don't want this X with RMQ, so it should be what? Shifted, right? We don't want this RMQ with this X, so we'll shift this X to right hand side. Now if this X gets shifted to its right hand side, so angle RMQ will be only remain, right? So angle RMQ is equal to 180 minus x, right? So the value of angle RMQ is what? 180 minus x. Please pay attention, everyone. Measure of angle PMR is given, right? Measure of angle PMR is equal to x, that x degree that is given. You have to you have to put here x degrees sign, right? So measure of angle PMR is equal to measure of sorry for disturbance, students. So angle PMR, here we have completed this. Measure of angle PMS is equal to what? 180 minus x, right? Now PMR is equal to angle SMQ. See, if this is angle M, okay, and if this is PQ, right, and if this is RS, right? So this PMS, we have find out 180 minus x. So RMQ will also be equal to 180 minus x. RMQ is also equal to 180 minus x. So in this case, this angle was given, that is PMR is equal to x degree. Now here, these two angles are in a linear pair. So 180 minus x is equal to PMS. If PMR is equal to x degree, so SMQ is also equal to x degree. If PMS is equal to 180 minus x, so RMQ is also equal to 180 minus x. Okay, clear everyone? Now move to the next sum. Uh, okay, so come to practice set 21 now. Uh, I hope everyone clear their doubt. Please let me know in chat box whether you have understood this or not. Yeah, okay. Okay. Uh, now practice set 21. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of everyone, please off your webcam. Okay. Now here practice set 21. Angle ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. See, for example, this is triangle ABC. Please pay attention, everyone. For example, if this is triangle, if this is triangle A, B, and C, if this is triangle ABC. Okay, and angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. See, for example, this is D and this is angle ACD. As they are saying, angle ACD is an exterior angle. Two types of angles are there, interior angles as well as exterior angles, right? Interior angle, to whom we call it as interior angle, when the angles are inside the triangle. inside the triangle, अगर angle triangle के inside है तो they are known as interior angles. Angle A and angle B, these are interior angles of triangle ABC. And angle ACD, this angle ACD, this angle ACD, wait a minute, student, wait a minute. ACD is there, no? So this angle ACD, this is an exterior angle, and this triangle ABC, okay? And this ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Measure of angle A and B are equal. ये जो angle A है and angle B है, these values are equal. ठीक है? Find the measure of angle A and B. Again, I repeat this. Please pay attention. Angle A and angle B are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Okay. Measure of angle ACD, this angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. This angle ACD is an exterior angle. वो angle जो है वो triangle के बाहर है, right? So this angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Okay. Now, measure of angle A and angle B are equal. Okay. So, if measure of angle ACD is 140, if measure of angle ACD is 140 degree, then find the measure of angle A and B. Okay. Understand the question first, students. Okay. What the question is asking. Okay. The question is measure of angle. Again, I repeat this. Measure of angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC, and angle A and angle B are the interior angles and their measurement are equal. If measure of angle ACD is 140 degree, find the measure of angle A and measure of angle B. Okay. Now let consider measure of angle A and is equal to measure of angle B, क्योंकि value equal दिया हुआ है. Let measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is equal to x degree. Consider, okay? We don't know the value of angle A and angle B. Yes. So consider it as x. Let measure of angle A and measure of angle B is equal to what? X. Now, by the property of interior angle of a triangle, by the property of interior angles of a triangle, measure of angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay, measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Okay, now what is the value of measure of angle ACD? It is 140 degree, right? So, and measure of angle A is equal to x, measure of angle B is equal to what? X. Now 140 remain as it is, x plus x is equal to what? 2x. Okay. Now we don't want this 2 with x. So it should be removed to the right hand side. Okay. See everyone, measure of angle ACD by the property of interior angle. First of all, write down given. What is given? Angle, measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Consider it as x because we don't know the value of x, right? We don't know the value of this angle A and angle B. Now, by the property of interior angle of a triangle, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay. Now, 140, this 140 angle ACD is equal to 140 remain as it is. Plus, what is the value of angle A? It is, sorry. What is the value of angle A? X, right? Now, what is the value of angle B? again x, right? Now this 140 will comes down as it is. Now x plus x is equal to what? X plus x is what? 2x, right? Now we don't want this 2 with x, so it will be shifted. But now this 2 is in multiplying with x, right? So when we shift this 2 to right left hand side, it will get divided. As I told you, जब भी value हम exchange करते हैं या तो shift करते हैं तो signs are getting changed, right? If it is plus, then when we shift this plus to this side, it will be minus. If this is minus, when we shift this to right hand side, it will be plus. When it is in multiplying form, when we shift this to this side, then it will be divided. Now this 2 is in multiplying form with x. But when we shift this 2 to this side, it will get divided. Now 140 divided by 2 is equal to what? X. Okay. Now when we divide this 140 by 2, when we divide this 140 by 2, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 zeros are 0. So the value of x is equal to what? 70. Value of x is equal to what? 70. Okay. So measure of angle A is equal to what? X. Measure of angle B is equal to what? X. So x is equal to what? 70. So measure of angle A is equal to x is equal to 70 and measure of angle B is equal to x is equal to 70. I repeat this again. Please pay attention, everyone. Okay, so we don't know the value of angle A and angle B, right? Okay, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of this triangle ABC, right? Measure of angle A and angle B are equal, right? And if angle ACD equal to 140, find the value of angle A and angle B, right? Now, by the property of interior angle of a triangle, measure of angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Okay. Now, 140 is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Now, 140 is equal to, what is the value of angle A? X. What is the value of angle B? X. Now, 140 is equal to x plus x is equal to what? 2x. Now we don't want this 2 with x. Okay, so we shift this 2 to this side. When we shift this 2 to this side, it will be divided. Now 140 divided by 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to what? 70. So what is the value of x? It is 70. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to what? 70 degree. Why? Because both the angles are equal. They have said this, right? The measure of angle A and angle B are equal. So if angle A is 70, angle B is also equal to 70 as both their value are equal to x. So x we found x is equal to 70. So angle A equal to angle B equal to x equal to 70 degree. Clear, everyone? Okay. Those students who are paying attention, they don't have any doubt. They are saying yes teacher, yes teacher, yes teacher. Okay, so that means those are paying attention, they understood it properly. Okay, this is from my point of view. Those who understand the sums, they are paying attention more clearly because I am explaining the sum 2 or 3 times. Okay, means if you're not not there, if network interruption is there on your side, so I repeat these sums 2 or 3 times. So if you are paying attention, that means you are getting understand this. Okay. Okay, so move to the next question because okay, now question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Using the measure of angles given in the figure, find the measure of remaining 3 angles. Okay, so here diagram is there. Diagram is there. So let me draw the diagram first. The diagram is like, see, the diagram is like this. And like this. Okay. here A, okay, then this line is AB, then line CD, line AB, then line CD, and then line EF, line EF, right? And all these three lines intersect each other at point O. AB, CD, right? CD and EF. Sorry. This is line EF. Okay. Now these three lines A, B, C, D, E, F intersect at point O, right? At point O. Now values of some angles are given, like for example angle AOE. This chapter requires more attention. Please students pay attention everyone. AOE जो है वो कितना है? Angle AOE is equal to 50 degree, right? Angle COF is equal to what? 70 degree. Angle COF is equal to 70 degree. Sorry. Which one is going on? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I have actually drawn another diagram. Sorry for that. Okay. The diagram is like AD, line AD. This is line AD. Okay. And then this is line FC. This line is FC, right? FC. And this is line EB. This is line E and B, EB. Okay. This line AD, EB and FC intersect each other at point O. Okay. Measure of angle EOF is equal to, they have given 4y. AOB has given 8y, right? And COD has given 6y. Okay. Now, using the measures of the angles given in the figure, this is figure, find the measures of remaining three angles. Remaining three angles we have to find out. Means angle FOE is equal to 4y, angle COD is equal to 6y, and angle AOB is equal to 8y. Okay. And remaining three angles, कौन से angles बचे अभी? FOA is remaining, BOC is remaining, EOD is remaining. So we have to find the measurement of these three angles. Okay. Now FOE is equal to BOC. कैसे होगा? FOE is equal to BOC. How measure of angle FOE is equal to measure of angle BOC? This FOE is equal to BOC. How this happened? What is the reason for it? Om Kambre, I unmute you. Give me answer. Because your camera is on, no? So give me answer. Why this? I unmute you. You unmute yourself and give me the answer. This angle FOE is equal to angle BOC. Why this happened? Unmute yourself. And tell me the answer. Why this angle FOE is equal to angle BOC? Just let me know. Why this? Let me know in chat box. Why angle FOE is equal to angle BOC? Very good. Tejashri Shetty. Tejashri. Vertically opposite angle. Good. Because they are exactly, Shubhi is saying exactly opposite angle. Yes, they are vertically opposite angles. No, Vaishnavi, these are not angles in a linear pair. Angles in a, many of the students have given answer. They are vertically opposite angle. Very good. Let me clear your doubt. Angles in a linear pair means जो angle straight angle पे रहते हैं, these are angles in a linear pair. These angles are angles in a linear pair. Okay, but the angles are like, see, these two angles, this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angle. This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, है ना. x जब भी फॉर्म होता है तो एक दूसरे के जो अपोज में दिखने वाले एंगल्स है ना, एक दूसरे को देख रहे, एकदम एंग्रीली देख रहे हैं. देखो ये जो दो एंगल है, that are vertically opposite angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angle whenever the x is there. Okay, this x. So this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angle. This angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angle. Or angles in a linear pair means what? When a straight line is there and this line is there, and if they form these two angles, okay, these are known as angles in a linear pair. Okay, and angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Why these are supplementary? Because they form exactly 180 degree. Because angles in a linear pair are always equal to 180 degree. Clear everyone? Clear? Yes. Now angle FOE, this angle FOE is equal to angle BOC is equal to 4y. Okay, 4y. This angle is equal to what? 4y. Why angle BOC is equal to 4y? Because FOE, this FOE and this angle BOC, they are vertically opposite angle. So if angle FOE is equal to 4y, angle BOC is also equal to 4y. Why? What is the reason? And vertically opposite angles, right? Now measure of angle AOB, measure of angle AOB is equal to what? Is equal to what? Measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle what? AOB is equal to what? 8y. तो दूसरा कौन सा है वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है AOB को? वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? EOD. Very good. Measure of angle AOB is equal to angle EOD. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. तो अगर AOB 8y है तो angle EOD भी कितना रहेगा? If angle AOB is equal to 8y, so angle EOD is also equal to what? 8y. Yes, angle EOD is also equal to 8y. And if angle COD is equal to 6y, then angle AOF is also equal to what? AOF 6y. ठीक है, तो remaining three angles are what? 4y, 6y, 8y. But we don't know the value of it, right? We don't know the value of it. We don't know the value of y. Okay, to find the value of y, what we are going to do is measure of angle AOD. This angle AOD is equal to AOB, this angle AOB plus BOC plus COD is equal to AOD, है ना. ये AOD जो लीनियर पेयर है ना, एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर, ये लीनियर पेयर पे कितने एंगल्स है? एंगल AOB plus BOC plus angle COD. Now angle AOB is equal to what? 8y. BOC is equal to what? 4y. And COD is equal to what? 6y. So 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to what? 180 degree. Now this angle AOB plus BOC plus COD is equal to measure of angle AOD. Now AOD is equal to 180 degree because angles in a linear pair is equal to what? 180 degree. Now AOB, value of AOB is equal to what? 8y. Value of BOC is equal to what? 4y. Value of COD is equal to what? 6y. Now 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree. Now 8y plus 4y, 12y. 12y plus 6y is 18y. Now 18y is equal to 180 degree. Now we don't want this 18 with y. Okay, so this 18 gets shifted to this side. Now y is equal to 180 divided by 18. Y is equal to 180 divided by 18. So 180, if 180 get divided with 18, so y is equal to what? 10. अभी हमको y का वैल्यू पता चला. एक बार अगर हमको y का वैल्यू पता चलेगा तो हम 4y, 6y और 8y का वैल्यू इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो 4y मीन्स 4 into 10 means 40. 6y means 6 into 10, 60. 8y means what? 8 into 10 is equal to 80. So the remaining angles are 80, 40 and 60. Like angle AOB, this angle, this measure of angle any angle you can take. Measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle EOD is equal to 80. Measure of angle AOF and measure of angle COD is equal to 6y. 6 into 10 means what? 60. Measure of angle BOC is equal to EOF is equal to 4y is equal to 40. Clear everyone? Very easy sums. Actually, understanding is very important in this chapter, chapter number 4. Okay. Let me see your chat. Okay, everyone is saying yes. Okay, thank you very much. Roshan is saying, teacher, you understand me very well. Good. Yeah, I will explain it again now. Yes. Very interesting. Sakshi is saying. Riddhi, so Shubhi is saying, I understood this. Many students are saying, yes, teacher, thank you so much. Shubhi is saying, very interesting. Tanmay is saying, okay, good, everyone. Let me explain you one more time this. Please pay attention, everyone, right now. Wait a minute. Okay, please pay attention, everyone, now. See, this is the figure that is given in your textbook. Okay. Now here angle EOF is equal to 4y, angle AOB is equal to 8y, and angle COD is equal to 6y, right? Now if angle FOE is equal to 4y, then angle BOC is also equal to 4y, right? Because they are vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now to find the value of y, we know that measure of angle AOD, this angle in a linear pair, is equal to measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD, right? Measure of angle AOB plus BOC plus COD is equal to AOD, which is equal to 180, right? Now value of AOB is equal to y, 8y, तो हम यहाँ पे 8y लिखेंगे. Value of BOC is equal to what? 4y, तो 4y. Value of COD is equal to 6y, तो 6y is equal to 180. Now add all these y. 8y plus 4y, 12y. 12y plus 6y, 18y. Now 18y is equal to 180. Now we don't want this 18 with y because we have to find the value of y, right? Now y is equal to 180 divided by 18. So y is equal to what? 10. Now we got the value of 10. So we can find the value of each and every angle, right? So first of all, we'll take measure of angle AOB and DOE. Where it AOB and DOE is equal to 8y. So 8 into 10 is how much? 80. Measure of angle. Now ये दो angle हमारे find out हो गए है ना? 8y means 8 into 10, 80. Now we can take this EOF and equal to BO, दोनों का value same है, that is 4y. So 4 into 10 is 40. तो हमारा ये 40 का भी value solve हो गया. Now remaining कौन बचा है अभी? Measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOF is equal to 6y, means 6 into 10 is equal to what? 60. Now all angles has been solved. Clear everyone now? Very simple sums. Just to understand this, which angle are vertically opposite angles, which angles are in a linear pair, right? So I hope everyone understood this. I tried my level best to make you understand it properly, but it's your choice to please pay attention, because maths is a subject which needs very much concentration. Okay, when you understand this, then you can solve it again. Okay, please keep practicing this. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so We have seen practice set 2021. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this, right? 20 practice set 20, practice set 21. When you have you got notes of this chapter, fourth chapter? Let me know in chat box. Have you got notes of it?